Hi guys, welcome to my tutorial, and this video will talk about the charts, and we'll learn today that how you can actually combine the two charts, right? So I will try to go ahead and combine the column chart with the line graph chart, and it can actually give a very good results, very awesome chart, right? We'll try to build that. So here I have written some dummy data, and I have year and year on year what is my sales, and then what is my target, and accordingly we will try to build a chart, right? So I'm just selecting my cell within this table, right? And I'm going to column chart and I'm pressing this, and as you can see here, as expected, I have actually got this chart. Uh, Excel has prepared this chart through its IntelliSense, but please ensure that if you don't have this cell selected, or you have selected somewhere outside, then you will not be able to create any chart, right? If I do this, then the chart will be blank, and obviously then you'll have to select the data, right? So that's another way, but I was just telling you, don't wonder that why when you saw the video uh, the chart got created, but when you are doing it, it is not. So this might be the reason. So select this within the table and ensure that there has to be no unwanted headers over here, because otherwise chart will try to get those headers as a part of its chart making. So I'll simply go to the insert and then click on the column chart, and we'll select this. Now since I have not got the years properly aligned, so I'll go to the select data, and I'll remove this from the legend entry, because you don't really require these legend entries. So I'm not going to discuss about the basic of the charts, right? What I'm actually going to tell you today is that how you can combine the two different charts together and can actually make awesome charts, right? So that's my chart, as you know, as expected. So we have got the sales, we have got the targets. Maybe I can remove the grid lines. Now what you can do is, though this looks nice, but in my view, actually, let me just copy this, and let me put this chart here, and let's just decrease its width so that we can actually see both the charts together, right? So you can do a lot of stuff, a lot of formatting, a lot of chart title you can give access, you can play around with that. But as I said, I will not talk about the chart techniques. This is simply to tell you how you can combine the two charts. So basic of the chart, you must know that, right? In case if you're not, then again you can still watch this video, because this will give you a good amount of idea. Knowing the charts, preparing charts is not a big deal, trust me. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to select my this target, and I'll go to the design window, and I'll change the chart type, and then what I do is I'll select this line graph and I'll press OK, right? So as you can see here, now this is exactly what I was looking for. Maybe I can shift this here, and I can give a little bit more space to my chart. So let's put it here, right? Yeah. So maybe we can do one thing. We can change. You can change these pointers in case if it is required. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go to the format, and I'm going to actually change the color of this line graph, right? So I'll go to the format selection after selecting this series target, and here I'll give the line color maybe color black, okay, or maybe you would like to give a red color, whatever, right? So I'm choosing it black, and this is how you can even go ahead here, and you can say that it's none, right? So that these markers should be avoided. So this is going to be now clean your this, it has no actually cross points. So that's how you can actually, now you can compare the difference between both the charts, right? To me, actually, when I deal with the charts, specifically with the data point where I have the targets, against the performance, I always actually prefer using this chart, because it clearly actually tells you that where is this heading, right? 2003 is the year where you were just so much near to the target, and 2015 is where you have actually over delivered it, right? Though This chart is also very easy to read, but I guess that's again, more of a choice. Maybe you can actually, plot this. If you have some more headers over here, then you can actually use this chart. This would look nice, and then ultimately you can go to the design, and whatever the colors you want to choose. In case if this is something you don't like it, you can do a lot of stuff with that, right? So guys, at the end of the day, at the end of this video, I just want to tell you, I want to encourage you to go to my this playlist, charts and pivots, and please watch these all 5 videos, excluding the one which I have just shared with you. I'm gonna upload the same video over here. So watch this video number 54, amazing drop down charts. You can actually combine n number of charts together in just one chart, right? So I have talked about a lot of good things in these videos, pivots and charts. So I hope you'll enjoy them, right? And this is my email ID. If you have any problems, just let me know, and I'll for sure go ahead and upload a video on the same, right? Thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye bye.